Hi, I'm Darren Clarke, Director of Engineering for Robertson Engineering Services, and I'm going back to the shop floor for National Apprenticeship Week. Right guys, I'm off to site, see the apprentices. Be good, something I wouldn't do. See you later, Geordie Shaw.
Yes, we're coming. Enjoy the gym. Have we done your hair, Darren?
That's my hair, it's very nice, thank you.
Have fun, good luck.
Bye.
So Darren, what's it like being driven around?
It's very good. It's very good having the chauffeur. Obviously this is a very tight site, limited allocated parking, so traditionally we would walk up, but with having such a steam, like people as yourself here, Kieran, would decided that I'd get your chauffeur driven and dropped off. Gas is off, glass is on.
I think definitely glass is on.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Really good.
So this is Newbridge Street, 329 bed student accommodation block. We're doing the mechanical and electrical on this project. We have two apprentices here, which is Kieran and Drew. They're two of the 6 that we have, the other 4 currently on other projects. It's time to go and see what they're up to. Take we're in.
Oh, she's walking.
Hello Kieran, how are you?
I'm doing good, How are you?
There's 2. This is obviously introduce you. This is Kieran. This is Kieran. Good. Could you explain to me what you're doing here, Kieran? Obviously I know it's a radiator, but what plan of works are you doing here?
I'm just going to hang the radiator onto the brackets there.
Right.
And then eventually pipe it up.
So you're going to work out the centres, work out the height, and then fit the bracket.
Yep.
And then put the radiator on, then plumb it up. All right then. Sounds great. Would you like to show us how to do that?
Get a straight level across so you can work on the next press.
Right, I'll have a go at that then. Then fit this bracket on here.
Yep.
You do a pilot fix first, do you?
Yeah.
Now we're going to put this on. Do you want me to help you with this?
Oh.
It's normally a one-handed operation, one-man operation, but there you go.
Check about the level.
Just check, make sure it's in. You make sure it's in the brackets properly. The bottom's fixed in and everything. That's excellent. That. Quite hard to determine level with the plastic, but I've noticed you've got your better level here.
There you go.
And if you just bring the camera here, Kieran, that's what you call spot on.
What made you get into M&E in the first place?
I worked with my hands when I was at secondary school, so I wanted something that paid good money and on building site.
And he also come did a work experience, didn't you, Kieran?
Yeah, in the summer.
Kieran come did a work experience with so we gave him an insight into what different aspects of business he could work with, which was commercial, estimating. But Kieran, from point one, confident young man, wanted to be on the tools. He's got a passion for it. All the guys speak highly of him, and he's thriving. So this is Drew Reid, the second apprentice of today. And I believe you have a little task for us to do, Drew.
Yeah, Darren, what we need to do is we need to fit the light up into the ceiling.
All right,
So
can you show us how to do that, please?
Yeah, first of all, you're going to grab the click
Got it.
and just plug it in and make sure it's the right way. And there we are, and then put the lid on the top. Then after you've done that, you need to, is that all on properly? Yep.
Yeah.
And you need to push it into the ceiling, and then here comes the tricky bit. With the wings, you need to clip the wings in and sort of watch your fingers at the,
Right, so
clip them up. See the red levers at the side? Click them up, yeah, and they sort of act as like a support and the spring in. And then it clips in.
Be a bit taller for this. There we are.
How was that, Darren?
Difficult with a jacket. You kind of get your arms up to get you feel like it's obviously it's a fair enough height to work at, but you can't get the full reach with the jacket pulling your arms back.
Things are going well at the minute. Still at college, and I'm 2 weeks on site and 2 weeks at college.
But how are you finding that?
Really well, I'm doing well in both.
Oh, excellent. I've heard good reports, like.
I'm just getting my head down and seeing how far I can go.
Oh, that's it. The sky's the limit.
Drew, did you know that Darren actually started out as an apprentice himself?
It's hard to believe, but
I had hair in them days as well. Oh, it's hard to believe as a young gentleman, 16-year-old heating engineer apprenticeship. many moons ago. Thoroughly enjoyed it. I loved every moment when I was on site, especially as an apprentice and going through being a heating engineer and the various roles, supervision and all that.
It's nice to see because it gives you something to want to aspire to be, moving your way up the.
You can see the career development through the business, and we need more and more young people into the industry because that's what the future is. So today we met Kieran and Drew, mechanical electrical apprentices. It's always great fun interacting with the apprentices on site, get a lot of camaraderie. One thing I know for sure, they have a fantastic career ahead of them with Robertson.